Get ready, tech titans and market mavens. We're diving headfirst into the latest financial maneuvers with AG2R LA Mondiale Gestion Actifs making a significant splash in Oracle Corporation. Stick around as we break it all down, then hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a single update. Next up, analysts at Cantor Fitzgerald are adjusting their FY 2026 earnings forecasts for Oracle, and we've got the details you need to know. But wait, there's more. D.A. Davidson is weighing in with their Q2 predictions for Oracle, and we're going to dissect what it all means for investors. And hold on to your hats, because 1248 Management LLC has just dramatically increased its stake in Oracle Corporation. We've got all the angles covered. Stick around, like this video, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, and ring that notification bell for all the crucial market insights. AG2R LA Mondiale Gestion Actifs makes major Oracle investment. In a significant move for the enterprise software giant, AG2R LA Mondiale Gestion Actifs has acquired a substantial new position in Oracle Corporation, injecting approximately $12.82 million into the company. This strategic investment, revealed in their latest filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, saw the acquisition of 91,728 shares, now representing a notable 0.7% of AG2R LA Mondiale Gestion Actifs investment portfolio, and marking it as their 24th largest holding. This isn't just a single investor's play. The financial world is buzzing. Several other institutional investors and hedge funds have also been actively adjusting their Oracle holdings. Funds like Clarkston Capital Partners LLC, Tacita Capital Inc., Flinzito Capital Management LLC, Tiller Private Wealth Inc., and Cadence Bank have all reported increased positions, signaling a broader confidence in Oracle's market standing. With a substantial 42.44% of the company's stock held by institutional investors, these moves underscore Oracle's appeal in the current market landscape. Analysts are also bullish, with a strong consensus of moderate buy and an average price target of $296.84. Loop Capital, Westpark Capital, Melius Research, Evercore ISI, and Guggenheim have all recently issued positive price targets and buy ratings, with some significantly raising their objectives. This collective analyst sentiment, coupled with Oracle's recent earnings report that surpassed expectations with $1.70 EPS and $15.9 billion in revenue, paints a picture of a company performing strongly and poised for future growth. This significant investment by AG2R LA Mondiale Gestion Actifs, alongside the ongoing activity from other major players and positive analyst outlooks, highlights Oracle's continued importance in the enterprise technology sector and its attractiveness to large-scale investors. The market is clearly watching Oracle closely. But don't go anywhere yet, because the market never sleeps and neither do we. Next, we're diving into how analyst forecasts for Oracle's future earnings are shifting. Cantor Fitzgerald adjusts Oracle's FY 2026 earnings outlook. In a notable analyst revision, Cantor Fitzgerald has updated its earnings per share estimates for Oracle Corporation for the fiscal year 2026. The firm's analyst, T. Blakey, now projects Oracle to post earnings of $5.31 per share, a slight decrease from the previous forecast of $5.51. Despite this adjustment, Cantor Fitzgerald maintains an overweight rating and a $400 target price on Oracle stock. This revision comes as the broader analyst community continues to scrutinize Oracle's future performance. The current consensus estimate for Oracle's full-year earnings stands at $5 per share. Other analysts have also recently shared their views, with Royal Bank of Canada increasing its target price to $195, Mizuho upgrading its rating to outperform with a $350 target, and Melius Research reiterating a buy rating with a raised target of $370. The stock currently holds a moderate buy consensus rating from Microsoft Sphere, with an average target price of $296.84, reflecting a divided but generally optimistic outlook among experts. Oracle's recent financial performance remains robust, with the company reporting $1.70 earnings per share for the last quarter, exceeding analyst expectations. Revenue also came in strong at $15.9 billion, surpassing the consensus estimate. These results, combined with an 11.3% year-over-year revenue increase, showcase the company's ongoing operational strength. Despite the slight downward revision from Cantor Fitzgerald, the overall analyst sentiment, supported by solid recent earnings, suggests continued investor interest in Oracle's long-term prospects. These analyst adjustments, while minor, are crucial for investors tracking Oracle's trajectory. They highlight the dynamic nature of market analysis and the continuous effort to predict the software giant's financial future. Stay tuned, because the financial news keeps coming, and we've got more Oracle insights for you. Get ready for D.A. Davidson's take on Oracle's upcoming Q2 earnings. D.A. Davidson weighs in on Oracle's Q2 2026 earnings forecast. Analysts at D.A. Davidson have released their earnings per share estimates for Oracle Corporation for the second quarter of fiscal year 2026. The firm's analyst, G. Luria, forecasts that Oracle will achieve an EPS of $1.32 for the quarter. D.A. Davidson has assigned a neutral rating to the stock with a price objective of $300, while also providing an FY 2026 earnings estimate of $5.42 EPS. This forecast from D.A. Davidson adds another layer to the ongoing analyst coverage of Oracle. The current consensus estimate for Oracle's full-year earnings remains at $5 per share. This follows recent reports where Piper Sandler raised its price target to $330, Melius Research boosted its target to $370, and Jefferies Financial Group lifted its target to $360, all with buy ratings. Despite these positive adjustments from some firms, the overall consensus rating from Microsoft Sphere remains a moderate buy, with an average target price of $296.84, indicating a range of opinions among market watchers. Oracle's recent quarterly performance continues to be a strong point, with the company reporting $1.70 EPS, beating the $1.64 consensus estimate. Revenue figures also exceeded expectations at $15.9 billion, up 11.3% year-over-year. These solid financials, coupled with a consistent quarterly dividend of 50 cents per share, demonstrate the company's financial health and commitment to returning value to shareholders. The divergence in analyst ratings from neutral to buy and overweight underscores the complex valuation dynamics surrounding Oracle. The detailed forecasts from firms like D.A. Davidson provide valuable insights for investors navigating Oracle's stock performance and future potential. But the market story isn't over yet. We've got one more massive move to cover. Prepare yourself for a significant stake increase in Oracle Corporation. 1248 Management LLC dramatically boosts Oracle stake. In a significant display of confidence, 1248 Management LLC has substantially increased its investment in Oracle Corporation, acquiring an additional 25,181 shares during the first quarter. This move represents a massive 501.9% surge in their stake, now making Oracle the 14th largest holding in their portfolio, valued at approximately $4.22 million. This substantial acquisition by 1248 Management LLC is part of a larger trend of institutional activity surrounding Oracle. Other funds, including Clarkston Capital Partners LLC, Tacita Capital Inc., Flynn Zito Capital Management LLC, Tiller Private Wealth Inc., and Cadence Bank, have also reported increased positions in Oracle during the same period, signaling a broad-based institutional interest. With 42.44% of Oracle's stock held by institutional investors and hedge funds, these strategic moves are closely watched by the market. Analyst sentiment remains largely positive, with a consensus moderate buy rating and an average target price of $296.84 from Microsoft Sphere. Recent reports from Wolfe Research, J.P. Morgan Chase & Co., T.D. Cowen, Piper Sandler, and Melius Research show a mix of outperform, neutral, and buy ratings, with several analysts raising their price targets significantly. For instance, Wolfe Research lifted its target to $400, and TD Cowen raised theirs to $375. This optimistic outlook is further supported by Oracle's recent earnings, which exceeded expectations, and its consistent dividend payouts. The aggressive stake building by 1248 Management LLC, alongside the continued positive analyst coverage and strong financial performance, reinforces Oracle's position as a key player in the enterprise software market and a compelling investment for large institutional players. That's all the market-moving news for today, but we've got a quick recap coming right up. Don't miss our lightning-fast summary of today's top stories. All right, everyone, that's a wrap on today's Market Pulse. We saw Gestion Mondiale Gestion Actifs make a massive $12.82 million investment in Oracle Corporation, alongside significant stake increases from 1248 Management LLC. We also covered Cantor Fitzgerald's and D.A. Davidson's latest earnings forecasts for Oracle, showing a dynamic analyst outlook. If you found this information valuable, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for more cutting-edge market analysis, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social platforms for real-time insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.